Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath here is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This has the sports styling package with a sports exterior and interior appearance, adaptive high beam assist, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, black MB Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, ambient lighting, sunroof, rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, USB port, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, different parking cameras. This E-Class has 20,498 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.